Concrete, it's everywhere. From skyscrapers to sidewalks, it's the backbone of modern civilization. But here's the catch. It's also responsible for nearly 8% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Now, imagine a bridge that absorbs carbon instead of emitting it and is inspired by the structure of our own bones. Welcome to Diamanti, the 3D-Printed, carbon-absorbing bridge that could redefine the future of sustainable construction. Developed by researchers at the University of Pennsylvania, Diamanti combines robotic 3D printing with a next-gen sustainable concrete mix. Here's the magic. The design mimics the porous structure of human bones, those intricate lattice-like networks that give strength with minimal material. This smart design uses 60% less concrete, but stays just as strong. And get this, the new mix absorbs 142% more CO than normal concrete. That's right, it eats carbon. Masoud Akbarzadeh, the project's lead architect, explains it best. Nature has learned that you don't need material everywhere. By copying how bones distribute weight through minimal surfaces called triply periodic minimal surfaces, or TPMS, the team boosted both efficiency and carbon absorption by another 30%. That's sustainable engineering, straight out of nature's playbook. The prototype bridge is modular, built from 3D printed blocks connected with tensile cables. This approach cuts construction time, material, and energy use by 25%, reduces the need for steel by 80%, slashes costs by nearly 30%, and when tested, the 10-meter prototype exceeded all expectations: strong, stable, and stunningly efficient. Today, it's showcased at the Venice 2025 Architecture Biennial, awaiting its full-scale debut in France. The next step? A real bridge, possibly over the River Seine in Paris. Beyond bridges, Diamanti could revolutionize floor systems, facades, and modular construction, all while helping the planet breathe easier. Because when concrete starts absorbing carbon, the future of construction just changed forever. So next time you walk across a bridge, imagine it's cleaning the air beneath your feet. This is more than architecture, it's evolution in motion.